Good day, students. Today, through video number 6 of class 11, this is video number 6 of class 11. And this is chapter 3 of biology subject, and name of the chapter is plant kingdom. So commonly it is called the plant kingdom, but as we go for the Whittaker system of classification, then you know that Whittaker gave 5 kingdom classification system. In this 5 kingdom classification system, the kingdom Monera is there, kingdom Protista, then kingdom Fungi, then one of the kingdom is the kingdom Plantae. So it is biologically known as Plantae, but actually it is commonly known as plant kingdom. This plant kingdom includes green plants, and after plant kingdom, the Animalia or animal kingdom, that was the 5th kingdom of Whittaker, given by Whittaker. In this chapter, we are not following the 2 kingdom classification system given by Carolus Linnaeus or 5 kingdom classification system given by Whittaker, but we are following a different classification system. That is in the beginning of this chapter, plant kingdom. So that classification system is within angiosperm only. Classification system within angiosperms. Only angiosperms. Angiosperms, you know, that is a division of plant kingdom. The plant kingdom, you know, includes divisions algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiosperms are the most developed plants among the plant kingdom, and it bears flowers. So we are going to discuss about the classification system within angiosperms, and it will be in a different way. It will be in a different way, not in the same way as we have done the 2 system classification or 5 system classification. So how the different way the classification system has been devised, that is number 1 is known as the natural system of classification. So we are not doing the 2 kingdom classification system or 5 kingdom classification system. We are doing the natural system of classification. First, first is the artificial system of classification, and second is the natural system of classification. Third is phylogenetic system of classification. Phylogenetic classification system. So first we will take up what is the artificial system of classification. It was given by Carolus Linnaeus. So artificial system of classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus. This is based on gross and gross means total. Superficial means only externally visible morphological characters. Giving equal weightage, equally considering both vegetative structures. Vegetative structures includes the root, stem and leaf, and also the sexual structures. That means the sexual structures in angiosperms are flowers. But this artificial system of classification given by Carolus Linnaeus not accepted. Why not accepted? Because the other taxonomist scientists, they had this argument, they gave this ground, the reason that vegetative structures, they change with changing environment, with change in environment. That means we know that environment is changing, our environment is changing, and when the environment is changing, the vegetative structures also change. So if the vegetative structures change, then the vegetative characters will change. That means this system of classification is not a permanent system of classification. The characters will change because all the classification systems, they are based on the characters. Now we come to the next one, that is the natural system of classification. It was given by Benther, two scientists, Benther and Hooker. These artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, I will give you this information that these are very important from NEET point of view. इस पर NEET में काफ़ी questions पूछे जाते हैं, artificial system of classification, natural system of classification और natural classification system. इसमें देखो एक आपको और बताता हूँ artificial में, what is phonetic system of classification. ऐसा क्वेश्चन नीट में आया, phonetic system of classification. इसमें यही है, natural है. This is based on, phonetic is based on morphological characters. अगर आप based on morphological characters आप classification करते हो, only morphological characters, that is known as the phonetic system. Now what is the natural system of classification? Natural system of classification was given by Benther and Hooker. इसने सिर्फ morphological character नहीं लिए, इसने देखो काफ़ी ढेर सारे कैरेक्टर लिए और बेंथर एंड हूकर ने एंजियोस्पर्म्स के क्लासिफिकेशन के लिए ये बताए जाते हैं कि एंजियोस्पर्म्स के क्लासिफिकेशन इन्होंने अच्छी तरह से किए. तो ये जो है, इन्होंने कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर लिए? इन्होंने मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स लिए, दैट इज मीन्स एक्सटर्नल कैरेक्टर्स. इन्होंने एनाटॉमिकल कैरेक्टर्स लिए, मतलब इंटरनल कैरेक्टर्स इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में. देन इन्होंने एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल लिए. एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल मीन्स के जब सेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंजियोस्पर्म तो वो जाइगोट बनाते हैं, जाइगोट से एम्ब्रियो बनता है, एम्ब्रियो से फिर न्यू प्लांट बनता है. तो ये एम्ब्रियो